Hello everyone, welcome to the Trainground. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sort and Switch delivery set by Thomas Friends TrackMaster Motorized Railway. As you can see on the box, Percy is dropping off cargo at the Sodor Mail, turning the corner and picking it up at the Sodor Post. He goes right up back of the hill and repeats the process. Here are all the items that are included in the box. The box does include Percy. So these are all the items needed for assembly. Here at the Trainground, we are excited to get started on this railway. Choo choo! Now we're going to the back of the box. So Percy's car automatically dumps his cargo down the chute and the cargo transforms at the bottom. This box does include adapters. Let us commence with the unboxing. I like to start things off by removing every single item from the box and laying it in front of me. Here we have some tracks, some more tracks, Sodor Mail Sorting, instruction manual, more tracks, and of course Percy, the star of the show. So once I remove all the items from the box, I like to group items that are similar together. So all the tracks are together, Percy and his cargo carrier together. Removing the rubber bands and the plastic coverings. It just makes the assembly process much easier. Unloading the cargo, and those are the adapter pieces that you can attach to other TrackMaster sets you may have. And of course the instruction book. Let us get started on the process of assembling this railway. Let us get started and have some fun. All aboard! Let's start by placing Percy on the track with his cargo carrier. And placing his cargo on the carrier, he's ready to start. Turn Percy on, release the yellow latch, and watch Percy go up the hill. Releasing the cargo into the Sodor Post. Place the cargo back on the carrier. Watch it go down. Look at Percy hard at work. It's always good to work hard in life, just like Percy. Oh, there it goes again. Wow, Percy. Picking it up at the poster, Sodor Post. Dropping it off at Sodor Mail Sorting. There it goes again. Thank you, Percy. Thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll see you at the Trainground. If you enjoyed this video on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be putting out videos every week. Stay tuned and bye-bye for now.